had butter, but it was literally in the refrigerator frozen and you couldn't spread it properly, here's a product that you can get from our friends at Sweese. It is a ceramic butter keeper or a French butter crock. Basically, you have a bell and you have another cup part attached to it, and you basically start off by taking butter that you let get room temperature and use the back of a spoon, and what you're going to do is actually press down into the bell of the cup, and you're just going to fill that up all the way up to the top. You want to make sure that the butter is definitely room temperature, and you just want to press down into the bell with relative strength. And once you get it all in, you can top it off with a butter knife, and there you go, all filled in, ready to go. You want to take some cold water and fill it up to the fill line, and once you do that, you just take the bell and flip it over and put it back in, and there you go. Butter is ready to go. You can keep it on the counter, keep it in the cabinet, flip it over, and you've got butter ready to go. Once you need to refill it, you just get some more pliable butter and place it back in there, cap it off again, and keep going and going. It's an awesome product. Here at Recipejoes, we go above and beyond. So what we're going to do is make a breakfast sandwich with bacon, avocado, and egg. And we're going to use the spreadable butter that we're pulling from the ceramic butter keeper and making this sandwich and whipping it up. This is going to be really good. So the only thing left here is to finish off assembling our sandwich with our bacon, egg, avocado, buttered 5-grain bread from Publix, which is awesome, by the way. And we're just going to put that all together and you're good to go. Breakfast is served in a different form, healthier form, all for you. All right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen, and check out these awesome photos that we took of the sandwich. Thanks to Sweese for sending us this awesome ceramic butter keeper. Go pick up one off of their website right now. It's definitely worth it. Catch you on the next video. Peace.